In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 3Commas bot in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the bot added to your chart and be ready to explore automated trading ideas right inside TradingView. First, make sure you are logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open for the market you want to work with. It can be any trading pair or asset you normally analyze. Once your chart is open and loaded, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in and community scripts. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open that panel. When the Indicators window pops up, you will see different categories, but the fastest way to find what you need is to use the search bar at the top. Click inside the search bar so your cursor is active there. This is where you are going to type the name of the bot you want to add. Now, start typing the words 3Commas bot into the search bar. Type it just like that, and TradingView will begin filtering results in real time. After a moment, you should see an indicator or script related to the 3Commas bot appear in the list below. Make sure you are selecting the correct one that matches what you are looking for. When you see it, click on it once. That single click will add the bot to your current chart. You should now see the bot's signals or visuals show up directly on your chart, usually as markers, labels, or other graphical elements depending on how the script is designed. To really get value out of it, you'll want to adjust its settings to fit your trading style. To do that, move your cursor to the top of your chart area and look for the name of the 3Commas bot indicator that was just added. Next to its name, you will see a small settings icon. Click that icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can customize things like inputs, sensitivity, colors, and how signals are displayed. Take a moment to read each option so you understand what it does. If you are unsure, keep the defaults at first and only change one thing at a time so you can see how it affects the chart. Finally, if you do not already have a 3Commas account, use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you can connect your TradingView signals with your 3Commas bots and fully automate or semi-automate your strategies. Once you are signed up and set up, come back to TradingView, fine-tune your indicator settings, and you are ready to start testing and improving your automated trading workflow.